Hi, today we'll check about plant leaf identification and classification using image processing. Here we are going to classify and identify a lot of plant and a lot of leaves. We are going to identify which species they belong to. Okay, let's first run the code. So I'm going to input the file. I have like two data sets, like one is for test and the other is for training. So we have a lot of total number of categories we have, like around like 10 categories, and I'll walk you through what are the categories we have. And so we'll be using all those 10 categories around this. And so I'm going to find out the what I'm going to test it out. And so let me select any image random. So this is basically using KNN, and also you have like Navy Base and NB. So in KNN we have like it says that it's an jackfruit leaf, and NB also it says it's a jackfruit leaf, and both the classifiers are right. So we'll be using the classifiers, and these are the two classifiers we'll be using it. Let's try with some other image. So you can play around the images, okay, because we have like around 10 categories. And and the test, it doesn't have to be sequential or any from any certain folder, okay. So here once again we will be using KNN. So it says bamboo leaf, and for NB also it says bamboo leaf, okay. So here for the next image, and it says like Canaan hibiscus. And so when I go for like NB, it says rosea leaf. And in case NB is right actually. So there'll be some variations. And next we'll go for to check that accuracy of our classifiers, what we do here. So here it is, and you got like test accuracy. So when you go for I'll just walk through that training also. Training, what I'm going to do is like we're going to train the images whatever there in that data set. And so we are going to save Canon mat files, MDL Canon feature matrix and feature label. So these basically does the feature extraction of the images, okay. And we do it for Canon and also for Navibears, okay. For both the classification algorithm we'll be doing the feature extraction part, okay. And the feature extraction part runs through here, and it walks through all the images on the uh, dataset we provide, okay. And what are the labels we are going to work here? As these are the labels we are going to use here. And the bamboo leaf is there, an orchid tree, and pipal leaf, lemon leaf, tamarind, hibiscus, and rosea, and jackfruit, water plant, and Chinese redwood leaf. Okay, these are the leaves we are going to talk about here. Okay, so just walk through. And next I'll try to find out the test accuracy of it. So once you go for test accuracy, it will walk through all the leaves which you use for test. And finally you'll be getting an accuracy of it. uh, here we are going to check the now accuracy of both NB and no Canon classifiers. And it's going to identify and tell us what is the accuracy for each and every classifier. So here we go. So this is what it is. And you can see that the accuracy of NB is on the magenta color, and this will be the accuracy here. And when you go for KNN, this will be the accuracy. So, and you can see the accuracy percentage for each and every identification. That will be 91, and you go for NB, it's like almost 99 percentage, which is really good actually. Okay. That's all for this video. any more queries, or you want this code or whatever, you can always contact me here. um, you can WhatsApp me at this number, or you can drop me a mail, or you can visit my website. Thank you. Have a great day.